Say banana. Say banana.
Say banana.
Say banana.
Say banana.
Can you say peekaboo? Say belly button. Say mama.
Say mama. Say mama.
Can you say mama? Can you say dada? Can you say Jane? Can you say Ryan? Can you say Ryan? Why are you spitting? Hey, why are you spitting? Hey, no spitting. No spitting. Hey,
spitting.
can you say Ryan? Or Sally, can you say Ryan? Hey.
Say Ryan. That means Ryan, I guess.
Can you say... Can you say Alex?
Spit in my face.
Can you say Alex?
That means a boy because he hates them.
Ew, don't spit on Jane's bed. No more spitting. Hey, hey. No more spitting. No more spitting.
No more pulling off your diaper too.